So anyway, hello people, how you going? This is Glenn back with a 1923 penny, and it's a little bit grainy. So today we're just going to be reviewing this penny. We'll look at the mintages, how much it costs, and if there are any varieties. So this is just a standard coin that was issued since 1911. So here's a 1916. As you can see, it's pretty much the same, except that this has an eye which was issued or minted in Calcutta in India. And this coin, first for the varieties, this coin has no varieties. So in the previous year, the 1923, we had 3 varieties where the 9 leaned towards the right, so that way, which is actually this coin, and then we had another one which leaned towards the left, and which the line looks like it's going to fall over this way, so it looks like it's going to fall this way. And then we had another one which a 9 was actually below the 1. So if we have a look, try and get a close up, you can see, focus, you can see the 9 is pretty much level with the 1. If we turn it this way, it's actually falling to the right, so, and it's not falling to the left. So this is the only variety. So if there is a variety different than this that you know, then it hasn't been reported. So that will be a good thing for you to actually report that. Probably make a video, it's actually a better thing to do. And on the reverse, or the obverse should I say, this coin is actually probably in low, very fine grade. And if we have a look at the N, so have a look at the N. So here, the actual N ends right at the bead up the top. In this one, the N goes in between the beads. So that is the 2 different obverses that you can find on these coins, and I think they occurred up until 1931, so you can get these 2 different types of obverses, and the one with the N ending in between the beads is the Australian obverse, and the other one is the Indian obverse. So they would have come from master dies from the United Kingdom, so maybe there was a mix up. And this coin here actually has ooh, is that anything wrong there? No. Doesn't have any errors that I can see. Has a lot of damage. Which a lot of people do mistake for errors. So someone probably might mistake that for a mint error, but no, it's not. And then you can see there's like a halo around him. That's just where grime is actually gathered in between the coin. And you'll find it quite a lot on a lot of coins, even the modern circulating coins. So the mintage for these coins is, I'll zoom out, so 3,635,000. In this grade, very fine. It has a book value of $50, so I'll probably say about $30 in very fine. This one's a low one, so it's more towards probably between the $5 and $10 mark, because very fine would actually have a better. Do I have another coin that's very fine? Yeah, very fine. You can actually see, should be able to see the pearls a lot better. So this coin here is actually a higher grade, so this is probably a high very fine. And if you compare both of them together, this coin here is actually a lower grade, or on the Sheldon system, a lower number. But very fine actually, it's a very broad grade, and it encompasses a lot of the numbers on this Sheldon system. Maybe I should do a video on the Sheldon system, because that gets a bit more complicated, and you need actually to learn a lot more about coin grades to actually use that system. Anyway, I'd like to say thank you very much for watching my video. I hope this clears up the 1923 penny. Just remember, don't get it confused with the 1923 halfpenny, which actually is a rare coin, and it actually is worth a lot more money than the actual penny. Hell of a lot more. Probably the second rarest coin in the Australian decimal system, or pre-decimal system. Anyway, thank you very much and have an awesome coin collecting time, people. Okay, bye bye.